Kagagaling ko lang sa labas, sa loob ng chicken ng Timmy's at kumuha ko ng konting snacks namin para sa pamilya, of course, para sa akin din. 50 na Timbits. Ito mga kaibigan ng Timbits, Munchkin sa US ang tawag nila, dito sa Canada Timbits. Alala ko noon, ang tawag ko kay Juniorita ay Munchkin at si Bunsuni naman ay si Timbits. 50 assorted, tatlong klase, yung blueberry cheesecake nila, yung honey dip at yung yung may filled ng strawberries. At kumuha ko ng soup, umorder ko ng soup pero wala tong available na chili soup na paborito ni Bunsuni. So ang kinuha ko na lang yung chicken habanero na maanghang, paborito niya yon. Ginawa kong meal kaya may kasamang drinks. Black yung kinuha ko para sa akin na yan at isang donut. At sa mga in-laws ay dalawang hindi sila makikape ganitong oras, kaya dalawang at drinks din, kaya marami na drinks sa bahay, kaya dalawang apple fritters na lang. Nandito nakaparado yung ating someday I'm gonna have a Harley. Yeah, bakit hindi, di ba? Kilala na ako dyan at sabi ko nagbabike ako. Sabi niya, binigyan ako ng malaking bag, pero sabi ko, what? Meron akong, sa ngayon meron akong box, kaya and sabi ko sa susunod ulit. Okay, alam niyo yung bala kong gawin dito kaibigan ay magkakaroon ako ng magandang basket, pero sa ngayon okay na ako dito. Yung mga upgrade ko, lalagyan ko ng huwag niyo intindihin yung kalawang, I'll take care of that. Lagyan ko ng cup holder, diba? Kailangan ma-enjoy natin ng hot or cold drinks natin. Cup holder, somewhere gagawa ko ng paraan. Kaya at ano pa ba? Marami pang mga upgrades to na idodokumento ko. Alan! Alright. Yeah, would you like some donut in bits?
No, thank you. No, okay.
Are you going to
I get a coffee, just a coffee.
Okay, cool. All right.
I feel too tired. I don't know why.
Well, maybe it's the weather. It's going to be hot again.
I gotta keep people falling to sleep when I have lots of job to do. I have to face it. Deadline is coming, and my boss keeps sending some email to me. I don't know.
And that's why I'm not bothering you.
No.
See, if I bother you, you're gonna get crazy.
No, I know. You're
Lenny!
just so we're getting so much harder from letting me distracted. Yeah.
Don't forget to walk.
Yeah, that's
Okay?
the problem. I guess I walk too less.
Walk, cause you walk all the time. You used to walk all the time.
Yeah, right. That's kind of like I'm stuck with.
Yeah.
Let me check how much. I show you. Okay.
Why would you have to show me your sugar?
No,
Okay.
show me how much I worked.
Oh.
I don't think I worked anything this week or something.
Oh my goodness.
See, here. Okay.
That's a lot of hours.
No. You see, like here, right? For example, it's yesterday only 30. Today only. This is not enough at all, right? Yeah, I should every day morning get up just do some work.
Yep.
Then do some other things.
Good luck, Alan. Alright.
Okay, good luck.
Take care. Alright. Kaibigan ko, well, not kaibigan, kapitbahay ko yun. I think IT siya sa mga bangko. Related yata sa mga bangko, Canada, at minsan nasa New York siya. At he's good. Isa siya sa mga saksi kapag nung maliit pa si Juniorita, nagbaboxing kami sa driveway at talagang manunood dyan. At kapag kumuha ng nakakuha ng mga nakakabuo ng combination punches si Juniorita, talagang pumapalakpak siya. Remember one time, hindi lang one time yun eh, nakot ko siya kasi perfecto yung angulo niya sa yung posisyon niya, yung pagkakalingon ko sa kanya, pumalakpak talaga siya, yung talagang umalingaw yung mga suntok ni Juniorita at napapalakpak siya. Nagulat ako sa palakpak niya paglingon ko, at habang pumapalakpak siya, umaatras siya, parang off balance, tuwan-tuwa siya, like watching an exciting fight or game. Yun ang naalala ko. Okay kaibigan, alis na ako. Siyempre kailangan nating, kahit sabihin nila na well, I don't wanna say na bulok yung ating bike, pero gaganda pa rin, kailangan i-lock pa rin. After all, nasa city tayo, /city, GTA, Greater Toronto Area, diba? Kaya okay kaibigan, hanggang sa muli, padayon.